Now we come to a point where we understood how to create a channel and how to upload videos for that channel, and we learned how the videos come under suggestions, how the views will grow on your channel. We saw this channel's dashboard in the topic why subscriber count is not so important. We saw around 1,01,441 subscribers were there in that time, and I told you that I was analyzing this channel from past few days, and you can see here the subscriber count and the views are increased and watch time also increased. Now the revenue part is little bit low. In the topic why subscriber count is not so important, I explained about this, and after that I did some work in this channel and views and watch time increased in this channel. I will share how I increased views and watch time of this channel without uploading any videos for this channel, and I just did some simple things. From that, views and watch time of this channel has been increased, and I simply did some of the changes for this channel and the channel growth has been started. You can see here I will share how this is happened and how you can do in your channel also, and what is the logic behind this concept. I will explain all those things in this topic. Let us see how I increased subscriber count and how I changed views and watch time of this channel by doing simple things. As we all know, YouTube is a business, and as we all know, YouTube recommends videos of one channel. If you liked one video of that channel and another video starts getting recommended to you. For example, let's take YouTube as a clothes store shop. You go to a clothes store shop, you ask the salesperson or the salesman to show some shirts or pants or whatever you wanted. The salesperson shows some dresses like shirts or pants or something. You will start asking him some of the colors and designs that you wanted. So the person will search for something, like he will pick some of the shirts according to your interest, and he will show you. As soon as you like that shirt, the person will search for another shirts like same design or the same color or something related to that shirt which you picked or which you showed interest, and he will search the same item in the shop only. Let's take YouTube as a cloth store shop. You go to a cloth store shop. Now you ask for your interested shirt, like you wanted a blue color shirt with some of the checks in that. So you look that shirt, you ask the salesperson to show some designs regarding your interest. The salesperson shows some of the shirt pieces to you as you interested or as you demanded. As soon as you like one shirt, like you start engaging with that shirt, like you saw that shirt, you picked that shirt, you just opened that shirt, and you tried in the mirror, like is it good look for me, or you did some action in front of the salesperson. As soon as you do some of the things like that in front of the salesperson will look for another shirts related to the previous that you choose to engage more. Like you saw and you check the size and you check the quality of that shirt. As soon as you do that, the salesperson will realize that your interest is this, and he will search related shirts in his stock. He will look for some other shirts related to that, and he will say, see these shirts, like same related colors only, same some of the other designs or some of the other colors, he will say like that, and he will show some of the other shirts. Now you will check that shirt also because you are interested in those designs and in those styles. He will pick some other shirts which you picked or which you interested in, and he will show some of the other designs that are related to your interest. Now you will choose at least 1 to 2 shirts from those collections. So now think, YouTube has a salesperson. So you go to one shop, like you go to one channel's video, you saw one video. Now you saw that video, you watched that video completely, you liked that video. What YouTube thinks is your interest is this type of videos, and now YouTube is in confusion whether the person liked that video or whether the person is interested in those type of videos. So what YouTube will do now? YouTube will recommend videos of same channel. So there will be around 50 or 60 videos in that channel. YouTube will pick another video related to previous video that you watched and YouTube shows to the viewer. At that time, if the viewer click that video and watch that video and likes it again, YouTube will recommend another video of same channel. So now YouTube thought that this person is interested in this channel's videos. So YouTube starts recommending other videos which has more watch time and more engagement with the videos. As soon as you watch other video also, YouTube recommends another video of same channel. So this time YouTube starts recommending other channels videos with the same niches. So this is how YouTube recommends video to the viewer or the audience from the same channel. If the person likes one video or the person engages with one video of one channel, as soon as YouTube recommends another video to that viewer. If the niches are same and if the videos are related to that first video, then only YouTube recommends videos to that viewer. So it is very important to keep one topic in your channel and you should stick to one niche in your channel. That is why niches are very important in YouTube channel. So as soon as YouTube recommends another video, if the person watches another video also, then the YouTube recommends another video. So this is how YouTube recommends videos to the viewers. So this is very simple and you understood this concept. I explained this concept in the beginning of this part on. Let us take another example. So you went for a shop, you went to a clothes store. Now you look for shirts. You asked for your demand or asked for your interest. Now the salesperson shows some shirts according to your interest, but you didn't like that shirt. Okay, you didn't like that shirt. You clearly ask him other designs that this is not nice. So the salesperson will recommend another shirt also. And now you don't like that shirt also. Now what will happen? You feel like there is no good collections. There is no good collections in this shop. Before walking out, you check another shirts also, you check another pieces also. But now you walk out of that shop feeling like there is no collection of good shirts in this shop. Now come to YouTube. You're watching one video. Okay, you didn't like that video, but still you kept watching for some 5 to 6 minutes or whatever, on 75% of that whatever the video watch time. So now YouTube thinks you engaged with one video, now YouTube recommends another video, but you click that video but you felt that is also not nice, then you close that video. Now YouTube recommends another video, now you don't click that video. Now YouTube recommends another video, you don't even click that video, you didn't open that video. Now what YouTube thinks, or the what YouTube algorithm works. So you didn't like the video of same channel, YouTube will stop recommending videos from the same channel. Now YouTube thought this person is interested in one topic, but that topic related videos are not liked or not there in this channel, whatever the video has been he previously saw. Those topic videos are not good in this channel. So what YouTube will do, YouTube doesn't recommend videos of that channel and YouTube starts recommending other videos of other channel. So what will you do now? You will watch that video. You interested in one topic, let's say share market. Okay, let's take it as a share market. For example, you watched one video of share market in YouTube. You saw one video of one channel. For example, channel name is X. Okay, keep it as an example. You watched one video of share market in channel X, but you watched almost 50 to 75% of that video and you felt good or you felt confused. You didn't felt anything. It is good or bad, you didn't felt anything. Now what YouTube will think, this person is interested in share market topic and he watched video of channel X. Now YouTube will recommend another video of channel X which is related to share market. You must maintain same niches and same topic in your channel. Now YouTube recommend another video of channel X to the viewer. But this time viewer click that video and watches around 25% of that video. Like if the video is 5 minutes, the viewer watches only 1.5 minutes. Okay, you can see the watch time here, only 1.5 minutes of 5 minutes video. Now what YouTube thinks, whatever the algorithm YouTube has, it has been created by man. Just think like that. YouTube is humans creation, so you must think like that. what YouTube thinks now. Maybe the second recommended video is not good. Let's take another chance. It will recommend another video of same channel of channel X, and now you don't click that video only. You didn't even click that video. You saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, or you saw the recommendation of that video or that channel video or whatever the channel X video is there no regarding stock market. You didn't like two videos of that channel and you don't choose to watch the another video of same channel. Now what will you do? You don't even click that video and you start scrolling down. Now YouTube recommends another video. Again it will recommend one video, for example. Now also you didn't even click that video because you know the videos of that channel is not good and you didn't felt happy or you didn't felt engaging with that video. So what YouTube will do now? Think what human will do. You didn't like the video of that channel, but you are interested in share market video. Now YouTube algorithm will work like this person is interested in share market video, but the person didn't like the channel X videos. I should recommend other channels video of share market so that might be this person get interested in share market topics and watch other videos also. So YouTube doesn't want the viewer to go out of its platform. So it will recommend share market topic videos of channel Y, for example, channel Y. Now you like the video of channel Y. You watched it completely and even you like that video. Now what YouTube will do? YouTube recommend another video of channel Y regarding stock market only. Now YouTube will come to a conclusion that you like the video of stock market and you like that video from channel Y. So now YouTube will start recommending videos of channel Y regarding stock market to you. So this is how recommendation and views and other things will work in YouTube. So YouTube is created by human and human created the algorithms, and almost all the humans think same, and thinking capability and mindset of almost all the people are same. So this is why YouTube algorithm works. This is just a machine which has been fed by human. This is how human mind works. So this is the same technique you must think in your channel. Now viewer will watch one video of your channel. Now the viewer likes that video and he engage with that video. As soon as the YouTube recommends another video of your channel, now the viewer will click that video, but that video is not good. So the viewer will stop watching that video in between only. He come back and skip that video. Now what YouTube will do? YouTube will recommend another video. At this time, viewer will click that video thinking that this video might be good, but this video also not good. Now what viewer will do and what YouTube will do? Think. YouTube recommends another video now, but viewer doesn't even click that video. YouTube recommends another video, but viewer doesn't click that video. Now what YouTube will think? Only one video of this channel was good. So the viewer watched the second video and skipped that video. Now the viewer is not interested in other videos of this channel. So viewer is interested on that topic, but the viewer is not interested in the videos of this channel. So what YouTube will do? YouTube will start recommending videos of other channels related to that topic. At that time, your viewers will go to other channel. So for an example, if the person likes your first video, whatever the first video he has been recommended, and he will watch that video completely and like that video and think he will subscribe your channel. So this is a good engagement from a viewer to a channel. Now that viewer will recommended by another video by the YouTube. So at this time, if the viewer skip to watch that video and he will doesn't even click other recommended videos, then he will be subscribed in your channel. He doesn't want to watch the videos of your channel. At that time, what will happen? Even though you upload so many videos, only one or two videos get good views, but other videos doesn't get any views. That is what happened with this channel. You can see here some of the people subscribed, not some of the 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh people subscribed this channel. What I did was, before there were no views, no good views, like you can see the previous screen recorder why subscriber count is not so important. You can see there everything was in red, and now I did some work with this channel. I started some of the things and I did some small changes to this channel. Now you can see here there is a 26% increase in the views and 22% increase in the watch time, and there is only 29% downfall in the revenue. So you might be thinking what I did and how the views and watch time increased in this channel. So let us see. In the analytics section, you can see here, I will show it again so that you can understand this concept really easy. You can understand this concept in a easy way. So don't get confused. Please be concentrated, because these all things are very important in YouTube. Because more than SEO, more than anything, more than tags, the psychological things work in YouTube. I don't know why the people don't share those things to the beginners or whoever want to start the YouTube journey. So this is very good. You can see here, before it was showing less views or some messages here. Now you can see here looking good. So YouTube starts saying looking good. That means some of the views got increased and watch time is getting increased in this channel. Your channel got about the same number of views as usual. So your channel got 47,000 views, and similar to the 49,900 to 1,63,000 it usually gets in 28 days. This is the calculation YouTube only do, because there is an average number of views what YouTube feels good in every channel. This is the average number of views in this channel, maybe, I don't know. So you can see here November 11 to December 8, 2020. So we saw November analytics in why subscriber count is not so important in YouTube. You can see here same analytics was there in the why subscriber count is not so important in topic. So you can see here till November 19 there was no good views. You can see here. You can see the October month analytics. There were 51,008k views in 28 days, and there were 2.3k hours of watch time in 28 days, which is really low. And there were only 125 plus subscribers in 28 days, and the channel just earned $15 in 28 days. You can see here the channel reach was also really low. You can see the graph, everything is going downfall. Engagement was let us see the engagement is also not so good, 2.3k watch time, so this is also not good. Audience, unique viewers are there, but what is the use of unique viewers if the old viewers doesn't stay in that channel? No, that is the thing in YouTube, you must understand. Revenue also you can see here, revenue is also around $15.25. Now let us see November analytics. You can see in the November analytics, let's see the overview. There were only 44.3k views in November. Total 28 days, only 44.3k views for this channel. And the watch time decreased from 2.3k to 1.6k in just 1 month. In 28 days, this channel got only 1.6k watch times. You can see the revenue also. I shared some of the things in why subscriber count is not so important topic also. Now let us see. You can see here it is November 1, 1252, and you can see the views here. It is around 500 to 1200, but the client contacted me around November 15, and I started working with this channel from November 19. You can see here no content has been uploaded for this channel after November 12. So the last content uploaded on this channel is on November 12. On November 15, client contacted me and gave this channel for the analysis. So he told me to check this channel, what are the things going wrong in this channel. So I started working from November 19. After exactly 4 days I started working with this channel. I saw views are not going good, and I did some simple things. You might feel this is very simple, but this is actually important. This is very important in YouTube. Let's see what I did. Let's go to the content, and let me share one thing about this channel. There are around 550 videos in this channel, and you can see the views also. There is no good views. So the channel owner wanted to check this channel by me, and Tell him what is going wrong with this channel. Let me share what is going wrong with this channel. So it is very important to learn from others' mistake than doing mistakes and learning after that. So it is very important. You can learn from others' mistakes. That is why I created this program. That's why I am sharing some of clients' channels analytics. You can apply same things in your YouTube channel and you can see the result gradually, because there is nothing else rather than this in this YouTube. You can see, let me share some of the important facts. You can see there are 550 videos in this channel, and what I did was I just deleted less views, less watch time and less engagement videos. That's it. I didn't do anything. I will explain the logic behind this after this. I will first show how to delete some of the videos. Let us see some of the videos. Let me see this. Only this portion is important for us. Only this portion, last one. It's okay. The last video uploaded on this channel is November 12, 2020. After that, I got this channel access and I was analyzing this channel. So the creator or the client didn't upload any video for this channel. Let us see some of the things. So what I did was I checked some of the videos. You can see him. So what I did was I checked analytics, I checked the watch time, I checked views, I checked the engagement of viewers with this channel. So I saw the first video. There were 747 views and 5 comments, 91.9% likes, and you can see here 68 likes for 747 views. Around 10% likes. 10% people like this video. So the watch time might be good. Let us see the watch time. Overview of this channel. You can see 748 views and 32.4 hours of watch time. You can see here. Let us see the engagement. Okay, 32.4 hours of watch time. You can see here. You can see the watch time and you can see the views, engagement. Now let us see the audience. Unique viewers, 690 unique viewers watched this video, and you can see the average views per viewer and reach. This is more important. There were 14,005k impressions of this video. 14.5k impressions of this video, which means 14,500 times this video is suggested for other viewers. 14,500 times this video has recommended for the viewers, but only 1.6% people clicked this video. You can see impressions click through rate. You can see here impressions click through rate is 1.6 percentage. Before that, let me clear what is impressions click through rate. Impressions click through rate is nothing but how many times your video has been showed to the audience. Like for example, if my video is recommended for you for the first time, if one of my video is recommended for you in your homepage or in your search bar or wherever, okay, if it is recommended for first time, it is counted as one impression. If the same video is recommended for 14,000 people or 14,000 times, then it is called 14,000 impressions. At that 14,000 impressions, only 1.6% people clicked this video, which means only out of 100, only 1.6, nearly only 2 people clicked this video. Same, out of 1,000, only 20 people clicked this video. Out of 14,000, out of 10,000, only 200 people clicked this video. That is what is called as impression click through rate. So you can see here there were 14,005k impressions, only 1.6% of impressions click through rate. That's why views is only 748. That is also 690 unique viewers. This is more important because only unique viewers, you can see here 690 also unique viewers. The video got only 748 views, out of which 690 is unique viewers. So 748 minus 690 is around 62. Only 62 subscribed people or only 62 people who watched your previous videos watched this video. All the others are unique viewers. That means there are different viewers. They are different viewers. They came to your channel by mistake or by suggestion or by recommendation or by the link shared by other people, whatever. They are unique viewers. You can see here. So this is more important. Now, what I can understand or what you should understand from this impressions through click rate is 1.6% impression through click rate. So, thumbnail might be not good. First thing is, if the thumbnail is not good, people will not click your video. And if the title is not good, don't click the video. So, this is more important. If the impressions click through rate is really low, you must concentrate on the thumbnail. You must check your thumbnail, you must change your thumbnail, and you must create attractive thumbnail, and you must change your title accordingly. So this is more important. Impressions click through rate is low. Another factor which affects the click through rate is, if the person watched your first video and if the second video what YouTube recommended, if the person skipped that video, and third and fourth videos that has been recommended for the viewers, if the viewer doesn't even click that video, then also impressions click through rate will get low. Hope you understand it. If you watched random video of some of the channel and YouTube starts recommending some other videos to the viewers, if the second video is not liked by the viewer or the viewer doesn't engage with that video, then the YouTube recommends 3 4 videos again. But if the viewer doesn't even click that video, then YouTube stops recommending. If the YouTube recommends and if the viewer saw your thumbnail or the title or your channel, then impressions will be there, no? So that is why impressions through click rate will be low. So this is the another factor that affects impressions click through rate. The person is subscribed to your channel. So take it as subscribed to your channel. The person watched your video long back, but whenever he was watching other videos, if the video of your channel recommended to that viewer, if the viewer doesn't click that video, then also impressions through click rate will be low, no? Impressions has been happened, no? The YouTube has suggested your video, right? Then impressions has been happened. So impressions click through rate is low if the person doesn't click your video. It might be thumbnail, it might be title, it might be old videos that he has been watched and he felt your channel is not good. If he subscribed your channel and he knows the videos of your channel is not good, some people are lazy, some people are really lazy, it is true. They will subscribe a channel and they feel lazy to unsubscribe that channel. This is true. This is human psychology. So this is how the YouTube works, and impressions click through rate is low. So what we can do, you can see impressions click through rate is low. Now the people didn't choose to click this video, so the people don't know whether the video is good or bad. So people don't know whether video is good or bad. They didn't click this video. Only 1.6% people clicked this video. Impressions was good, but people didn't click this video. Now we have to check the watch time. So if the watch time is good, then the video is good. You can see the watch time here. For 748 views, you can see 32.4 hours of watch time. You can see here. Average views, you can see here. Average views is 2.36 minutes, which means the video is around 5 minutes length and people choose to watch more than half. That is enough. That is enough average views. That means video is good. Out of 748 views, the engaged viewer engaged 2.36 minutes of this video. So this video is good, but the viewer didn't choose to click this video. So this video is good, watch time is good. The only thing is viewer should click this video. So what we can do now, we should not delete this video because video is good. You can change the thumbnail of this video and you can change the title of this video, or you can delete other videos which is making the viewer to stop clicking this video. Now you understand. You can delete other videos which are not good in this channel, so that when the YouTube recommends, YouTube only recommend good videos to the viewers. So that's why you should delete those old videos which are not good in this channel, so that YouTube doesn't recommend bad videos to the viewer and viewer doesn't feel to click other videos of your channel. So this is very simple. You must delete some of the old videos which are not engaging, which are not good, which got less watch time, which got less engagement. So you must delete those videos. Let us see another example. Okay, let us see another example. Let me choose one video. Let us check one video. Yes, you can see here. You can see here. This video got 495 views. Really less, man. 8 comments. Engagement is good. For 495 views, 8 comments. This is really good. 43 likes, around 10% likes for out of 495 views. So let us see the analytics and why this video didn't go well, even though it had good engagement, comments and likes. Let us see why why it didn't go well. Okay, you can see here. You can see here clearly. You can see here views is 495 and watch time is 13.9, and you can see the arrow down here. Performance is 6.1 less than usual. So you can see here YouTube only says all the things. You don't need to worry and you don't need to take the calculator and check. Okay, watch time is really less. You will get around 20.0 to 40.0 hours of watch time for this type of video, but you got only 13.9 hours of watch time, which is really low. And you can see the range here and you can see what watch time you got. 6.1 less than usual. 6.1 less than the usual watch time. You can see watch time is not good. Even though there is good engagement, there were good comments, there were 8 comments, there were 10% likes. That means around 43 likes were there for this video. But then also, this video didn't go well because viewer didn't choose to watch this video for a long time. You can see the engagement here. Average view is completely low. You can see here, this is the view chart, and you can see the audience impressions click through rate reach impressions click through rate. You can see 3.5%. It is better than the previous video. People are choosing to click this video, but better than previous video. You should always have around 9 to 10% click through rate for your video. That impressions click through rate is good. 9 to 10% of impressions click through rate is really good, but 3.5% is better than the previous video which I shown in the example. You can see 4.4k impressions. You can see 4.4k impression. That means 4,400 times this video has shown to the viewers, but 3.5% people uh, choose to click this video. That's the reason why you got views of 495. Here also you can see 460 unique viewers only. Only 35 viewers are previous viewers. So this channel has serious issue now. People are not choosing to watch other videos of this channel. There might be really bad videos. There might be some of the bad engagement videos or the bad watch time videos. So I should delete all those videos now. That is what I'm saying. I should delete all those videos. Then only I will get views for other videos. Now I should delete this video because people choose to watch this video, but people don't stay with this video. That is the reason why YouTube doesn't recommend this video to other viewers. If the person doesn't stay with the video, and if he closes that video and he close the YouTube platform, then it is the loss for YouTube, not the creator. No, that's the reason why YouTube doesn't recommend this video to other viewers. Simple thing. Now what I will do is I will come back. I will delete this video, man. I will delete this. There might be a good work of the creator, but if the viewers doesn't watch this video, if the viewer doesn't stay for a long time in this video, then what is the use of this video? Then I will delete this video. Okay, I will click delete. One video is about to delete. This is how I delete videos. There are other videos also. This is the good channel for the person who wanted to start YouTube and the person who wanted to learn from others mistakes. You should not do same mistakes in your channel. I'm showing these examples so that you can understand what you should not do in YouTube. There might be plenty of videos in the platform in YouTube what you should do in YouTube, but there are very less videos regarding what you should not do in YouTube, because that is more important whenever or in anything. What you should not do is really really important, because that's what defines your success in any platform or any business, no? So let us see other videos also. You can see 802 is, I will delete those videos also later. Let me show some of the examples only. So you can see here, uh, 705 views, 1 comment and 26 likes, which means for 705 views only 26 people liked. If the 70 people liked, then 10% people out of 705 views, out of 705 views liked your video, but only 26 likes. That means around 4% or 3% people liked your video, but only one comment. The engagement is not good. Let us see the watch time. First you should check the engagement, then you should check the watch time. Now you can see here the watch time is good. Okay, watch time is good. People used to watch this video for a long time. You can see usually you used to get 10 to 40 hours of watch time, but this video got 30.2 hours of watch time. This is really good. Let us see the reach. 3.0k impressions and impressions click through rate is 4.2. This is really better than previous videos. Out of 3000 recommendations, 4.2% people choose to click this video. So people wish to engage with this video. People choose to click this video to watch. People stayed long time in this video. So only engagement was not good. Only thing is you didn't got likes, you didn't got watch time. So it is very important. You must understand. Now you might got the concept of importance of like and comment button in the YouTube. If you didn't get likes and comment, if you didn't get proper likes and comment, you can see only one comment for 705 views. So this is really bad. One comment is really less, no? One comment, only one comment. 26 likes. That is the reason why you should ask like. If this video got 70 likes for 705 views, then there might be a chances that this video will go well. If this video got 10 comments or 8 comments for this 705 views, then there was a chance that this video might have gone well. So we should, so now I won't delete this video because watch time is good now. People are choosing to click this video, only like is less. So there might be chances in future likes may get increased. Maybe the creator didn't ask for like. People like to watch this video, but they didn't click the like button in the video. So there might be a chances that people might click like button in future, so that this video will go good in the future, because only impressions are less. Impression like YouTube doesn't recommend to wider audience because engagement is less. That means likes and comments are less. That is the reason why YouTube didn't recommend it to wider audiences. You saw the first video. What I showed. You can see here. It has 747 views, 5 comments, 68 likes, around 10% likes. Okay, that's the reason why it got 14.5 impressions. You can see the reach here, 14.5k impressions. That is the reason why YouTube recommended to wider audiences. But the thing is, people didn't click this video only. Then how the views will increase? No. So at that video, the previous one video, you got only 4.4k impressions. You got only 4.4k impression. That means 4400 impressions. People used to click that video, but YouTube didn't recommended wider audiences. This video with 748 views got 14,500 impressions. That means 14,500 times this video has been showed to the people, but people didn't click that video. That is why views is low. And in that video, in the previous video, let me show that video. You can see this video. There are 705 views, but like and comment is low. Okay, that's the reason why you can see the reach here. This is the reason why you can see the reach here. YouTube didn't recommended this video to wider audiences. Only 3000 people are only 3000 impressions. That means only 3000 times this video has been recommended for the people, but people choose to click that video. Okay, that's the reason why 705 views. That's the reason why 705 views. Out of 3000 recommendations, 705 views has been got for this video. So just because of likes and comments are low for this video, that is the reason why YouTube didn't recommended this video for the wider audiences. As I shown in the previous video, that video got 14,500 impressions. If this video got 14,500 impressions, then there might be a chances that this video get around 4,000 views or 3,000 views. This is how YouTube works. Okay, This is the thing in YouTube. You should consider everything in YouTube. It is like a biryani. Even the small color or the even small tasting powder also very important for the biryani. You can't skip anything here. Okay, this is like a making biryani. You should always have everything in your video. You should not skip anything. Okay, even the likes are important. Even the comments are important. Even your thumbnail is important for impressions, click through rate. Okay, even your impressions are very important for your video reach. So everything is important. It's like making biryani. Even the small color, even the small amount of color is very important in YouTube, very important in making biryani. So that is the same thing applies in YouTube. Hope you understand this concept. That's how we should delete videos. Okay, let me show another example, last example. Okay, so you can see here 547 views, 2 comments, 37 likes. Around 2 comments. 2 comments means okay, 2 comments for 547 views is good. 37 likes, which is less than 10%, nearly around 6% or 7% likes out of 547 views. Let us see the watch time of this video. Let us see the watch time of this video. You can see views and watch time is also very less. You you can see the watch time. Watch time is really less. Okay, you can see the reach. 7.8k impressions. You can see 7.8k impressions, 7,800 times this video has recommended to the audience, but only 2.2% people choose to click this video. The views is only 547 out of 7,800 recommendations. Only 547 people click this video, only 547 people watch this video. And you can see out of 547, even the watch hour is less, 16.9. We used to get 20 to 50 hours of watch time, and we got only 16.9 hours of watch time. Watch time is low. And so you can see here watch time is low and reach was good. But so this is the same video. You can see here likes is also low, watch time is also low, impression was also low, only 2% impression is there. So what happens if the if the viewer watch one video of this channel which is good, if the viewer watch good video, if the viewer watches good video of this channel at the first, then if the YouTube recommends this video, what it is there now, this video, if the YouTube recommends this video for that viewer, then if the viewer skip this video with the less watch time, and if he didn't engaged by not clicking like button or not commenting anything, then there is a chances that he won't click other videos. So that's the reason why this is the resistance. This is the point where YouTube is, where viewer is going away from our channel. What we can do now, if we change title, thumbnail or anything, if the watch time is low and engagement is low, we can't do anything. You can do any SEO from top expert who knows SEO, but if the viewer didn't watch your video completely, or if the viewer doesn't engage with the video, then what is the use of SEO? You can understand my point, right? What is the use of SEO if the viewer didn't choose to watch that video? Then viewer doesn't watch other videos of your channel. That's why you must delete this video, because it is like a resistance for the viewer. It is like stopping the viewer from watching other videos. If we delete this video, YouTube will recommend other videos. So I will delete this video. Now what will happen? I will delete this video. Let me explain. Now what will happen if the person one good video of this channel, and if we delete all the bad videos, all the less engagement videos, YouTube starts recommending good videos only, because you deleted all the bad videos in your channel. YouTube has only option to recommend those videos that has in your channel. So YouTube starts recommending good videos. At that time viewer will watch that video also, he will feel good. Again YouTube recommends another video. Now you deleted all the bad videos, man. You just kept those good videos with good engagement and watch time. Now I shared how to check watch time, how to check engagement, and I told how to delete videos regarding watch time and engagement. This is how you should delete. Not like you should delete all the videos. You should check the videos properly before deleting, because there are some good videos also that will boost your channel. That is how this channel has been boosted. I started deleting all the less watch time videos, less engagement videos. That is the reason why people choose to watch other videos. Okay, I will do same things. I will check all the 550 videos, and I will check all the watch time and all the engagement of this channel, then I will delete some of the videos from this channel. So this is how I keep analyzing channels, and this is the thing works in YouTube. No SEO works here. Viewer is the king. If the viewer doesn't choose to watch your video, if the viewer doesn't click your video, if the viewer doesn't engage with the video, what is the use of SEO? There are people who know top end SEOs, and there are people who know how to do SEO from the experts. Okay, YouTube is created by humans, and SEO is created by humans only, and viewers also humans only. Okay, so how the YouTube algorithm will work? YouTube is a business, right? YouTube also created according to viewers mindset. We should always concentrate on viewers mindset. That is how we can crack the algorithm of YouTube. Hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubts, please come to WhatsApp and just text what is your doubt, so that I can tell some of the things with you. For now, this is okay. I think now you understood this concept. Hope you understand the concept, and you can do the same with your channel. If your channel is got good subscribers, and if you didn't got any views, if you getting low views, no SEO, no title, no thumbnail, no tags, no descriptions, nothing works. Only viewers, engagement, and watch time is more important in YouTube. Hope you understand this.